Brother from National Training Institute, Jam. This is the group leader, Mr. Fahad, and he is Mr. Ehsan, and he is Mr. Adnan. He is the group member of our project. This is the final year project of motor excavator. The excavator machine is also used in construction purpose, and it is also used for the transfer the soil from one place to another place. It is also used for leveling purpose, for the digging purpose. So this is the basically concept we are taking through the internet. So our students are very creative mind, and this is credit goes to my students. And this is the basically parts of the motor excavator. This is the boom, this is arm, and this is bucket. The basically, but the main source of energy is given by 12 volt battery. So this is also can move forward, and this is also can move reverse. So let's start the operation of motor excavator. So let's see what is happened. So this is forward movement, and this is reverse movement. It can also be rotated from side to side. So let's start the operation. Let's start the starting the soil transfer from one place to another place. So So this is the function of this excavator that could be actually happened in an actual excavator. We will hope that you will like this project and advise us more for our good suggestions. Thank you very much.